Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai. Alright, in this video we'll focus on backend technologies, alright, for Python full stack. Alright, so when we talk about backend technologies, right, so we need to gain expertise with the language what we select. So this is Python full stack, so we should go with Python. And the framework we use, which is Django, and database we use, which is SQLite. So let's see what are these three. All right, so we have Python, Django, and also SQLite. So basically, let me give you guys an overview on what these are. See, Python is very powerful and it is very simple, also very feasible, easy to learn, and which have many libraries which helps us to do some, you know something which is predefined, and we can utilize it as an end user to add those features in our uh, you know applications, right? And what is Django? Django is most popular framework for Python, which is faster, secure, and scalable, right? So it provides many predefined pre-built packages, which helps us to implement so much advanced features. So maybe let me explain a very simple example. For example, so to implement an OTP based login, so we have an OTP based package already, and we will just utilize it instead of implementing everything from scratch. So those kind of advantages will be available when we select a framework like Django for implementing our powerful backend. All right, right now, which ensures to make our backend powerful. All right, so now what is SQLite, which is which will comes which comes with Django and Python, which is self-contained. You know, it is very lightweighted and cross-platform also. So this is the component where we deal with the data, right? Fine guys, so hope you got to know what we need to learn and gain expertise for backend implementation of full stack Python full stack. So Python, Django, and SQL. Python is a powerful language to implement the automations. Django is a framework for Python, which is very fast, secure, and scalable. SQLite comes with Django framework in Python, which is self-contained, very lightweighted, and cross-platform. All right, thanks guys. I'll get back with a powerful video and useful video. Thank you.